counties in Pennsylvania.
We're probably in code if I'm at work.
Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Southern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, West Central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Scott Township or over Mount Lebanon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, McMurray, McKeesport, Jeanette, Gastonville, West Mifflin, Northside Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, Scott Township. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 64 and 68. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 51 and 62. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 62 and 75. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh